Welcome to the CTC Connection Store. Today we'll be interviewing some of our staff about Unity Day.
Now we're going to Haley. She's busy right now, but this is more important. Haley, when you think of Unity Day, what do you think of?
Happiness.
Happiness. All right, wonderful. What are you thinking of when we talk about the color orange? What do you think about orange? What's the first thing that comes to your head?
Happiness.
Like something related to the color orange.
Miles.
All right, thank you, Haley. All right, now we're just hunting for another staff member to interview. Oh my word, here's a wild one right here. Carter, what do you think of when I tell you about the color orange? What do you think of? First thing comes-
Happy moments.
A solid object, like anything. Related.
Trees. Halloween.
Orange trees. There you go.
Go.
In 2011, Unity Day was started, and the company suggests 3 different ways to help you celebrate Unity Day properly. The first is to take a pledge against bullying.
Share your tale about friendships and bullying.
And most importantly, wear orange.